We're at Sir Henry's tonight. We're gonna go through 3 trails and, well, 3 mazes, and then there is a haunted hayride that we're gonna go through. 2 of them I can film front facing. The hayride I can film front facing, but the new one that they're doing, I am gonna have to do selfie style. But we're gonna get you going. We'll see some things. It'll be exciting. Here we go.
Skinwalkers! Have you heard of them? They've been terrorizing these mines. I tried to warn them about what would happen if they went down there, but they didn't listen. And now look what happened. They're all gone. Mother, see my husband, please. He went into the mine, but I haven't seen him since. Do you know where he is? I do anything. Anything, just please tell me where he is. Please.
This TNT ain't killing them. We need something more explosive. They won't die. We need more. More TNT. They won't die.
Are you my new miners?
We can be. We can be.
Where's your new equipment?
You got to give it to us.
We'll go see the blacksmith.
All right.
And then bring me back some gold.
All right.
Don't keep Betty for yourself. I'm watching.
All right.
Can you take down the supplies? Please, the miners, they need their supplies. But I'm not going lest I'm these creatures. I can't go again. I can't go again. You can't make me go. You can't make me go. You can't make me go.
You're spooky.
Not my fault. This was the doing of my brothers and sisters, and they will all feast on your flesh tonight. This was not me.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I need you alive. What are you doing?
This way. Well, he's creepy.
Have you seen my daddy? They told me he would be down here.
I told you he died.
No, he didn't.
It's him right there. Yes, he is. The walkers got to him.
That's her daddy. Oh my god. Oh my god, Skinwalker.
Leaving so soon, but we have plenty of vacancies here at the Castle Hotel. We're dying for you to stay.
It's creepy, creepy woods.
Trust me.
God.
Only the fresh is here. I promise you'll love it. The freshest meat in town. Only the freshest.
Yummy.
Freshly cut right off the body.
Looks delicious.
The best part is the eyeballs.
I bet. Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy.
Maybe I might cut him up if you want some fresh and wine.
Oh, you can't have him. You can't have him. Are you drunk?
The only thing fresh around here is the beer. Get out, leave! Get out of my...
Oh my god. Okay. We are clearly in a cemetery. Ooh. Ooh, that was good. We're just gonna go right by you. Right by you. Okay.
You can't go to the barber shop, please. She's gone mad. Just look at what she's done to me. Please, you have to believe me. Please.
I smell fresh beer! Closer, will you? I'm coming! Can I cut off her lower half?
Sure.
Cut out the middle.
The barbers, they're everywhere. They won't leave me alone.
Everything is half off, including you. I'll take his upper half.
They all want you. Oh, he's not doing too good.
One little stroke I should have blamed her. Now, I mean, Gus is murdered. But no, Bill's gonna change this city. Oh, I can tell just by looking at you. You're gonna taste so much better.
Okay, this is creepy. Just gonna walk through here. Oh, buddies. Okay. Oh my god. Chicken and doing really good. Okay, we're in a closet. Oh my god. Haunted hayride. You're the next one up.
Stay away from these woods. On this night, All Hallows Eve, the dead will rise from their graves, returning to their dwelling, and lying in wait for your doomed wagon to pass through. There is no escape. Your souls will be mine, as these legends of Halloween come back to life.
Travelers! Careful! Careful! I caught a strange beast last night. It broke into my chicken coop and bit me on the leg when I opened the door. But it looks like just a scratch. Nothing serious. Oh, what the hell is going on? Get out of here! Hurry!
Ooh, a spooky jack-o'-lantern.
friends have no fear. I will destroy. I have come to slay them.
Oh my God.
Well,
Your head will fit perfectly next to all the others mounted in the tree.
leave while you still can.
And you won't save the monsters? The doctor, she's crazy! The doctor is crazy! The monster is nothing but beasts and goblins! We shall not rest! We shall come together! Join a revolution! And kill the monsters! Restore our town!
It's like Frankenstein's lair.
Quickly, you guys! Our guests have arrived just in time. I, Victoria von Frankenstein, welcome you to witness this historical moment. As you know, when looking for a husband, good men are hard to find. Most are nothing but monsters in disguise. Behold!
Here we go.
This is what you've been doing this entire time!
Everything we do here at Ravensgate is all of our patients are very well taken care of. You should see what Dr. Shelf has in store.
Music is the only thing I have. You can't take it away from me! Please! You have to make it stop! My ears are so badly!
It's even
Now you get to experience the pain and the torture that's... How does it feel? This is what you did to me, all the tests and the experiments. This is what you put me through. How does it feel? Now you get to experience the pain and the torture.
awesome.